vegetables.
Are we making vegetables?
Uh-huh.
Or planting vegetables?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, step 1. No, step 0. Step 0. Seed. What's it called? What's it called,
The
guys?
label.
Label. Label. We did all the ingredients. Then, here it is. Right over here. Water, please. First, we need to watch it grow. It drinks all the water, guys. Because I love it, it grows. Because I'm number 4. Oh, broke it. Broke a piece. Then break it. Then break it. It's on the top. It's at the top. Break it. And then number 3, we picked a seed there. And black, really black seeds. Please help, Mommy. We gotta fill it up. We gotta fill it up.
Softly.
Maple. This is the one to try. Where's the girls? I mean, it just looked like that one.
Kale. Can you find the K for kale?
This one.
Good job.